Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to make the carnation. It's a simple project, easy for beginner. Once you know the steps, it can be done quickly. The final size for the flower is 8 cm in diameter. These are the materials you need: 5 plain cotton yarns, 3 mm hook, 3 mm thick metal stick, 0.5 mm metal wire, glue gum, a little bit cotton film. So let's start. Let's do the Torus first. We start from a magic ring. Do 5 single crochet in this magic ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then pull the tail to close this loop. Next, we'll do a slip stitch to join the first stitch. We need to do slip stitch at end of each round. Do a chain to start second round. In second round, we will do 2 single crochet in each of the stitch. 1, 2. You can use a stitch marker to mark the first stitch. Move to the next stitch, do 2 single crochet. 1, 2. Then next stitch, do 2 single crochet. At end of round 2, we have 10 stitches. Do a slip stitch to join the first stitch. Then do a chain to start round 3. In round 3, we'll do a single crochet in the first stitch. Then, in next stitch, do 2 single crochet. 1 single crochet in next stitch. 2 single crochet in next stitch. Repeat this pattern for 5 times. At end of round 3, we have 15 stitches. Do a chain to start round 4. In round 4, we'll do a single crochet in each of stitch and repeat this from round 4 to round 10. From round 4 to round 10, we have 15 stitches for each round. This is how it looks like after round 10. Do 3 chain to start round 11. In round 11, we're going to work on the front loop only. Do 2 double crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2. Then 3 chain. Do a picot stitch. Pick the 2 lines here. Then move to the next stitch, do 2 double crochet. 1, 2. Then 3 chain. Move to the next stitch, do a slip stitch. we're going to repeat this pattern for 5 times. Chain 3, then move to the next stitch to 2 double crochet. Chain 3, do a picot stitch, then do 2 double crochet in next stitch. Chain 3, move to the next stitch, do a slip stitch. We're going to do 5 patterns like this. At the last chain 3, do a slip stitch to join the first stitch. This is end of round 11. Now we can cut the yarn. Now let's do the flower. Change to the white yarn. Hook the white yarn on the back loop of any stitch. Start with 3 chains. Then we're going to do 3 double crochet in each of the stitch. Then move to the next stitch, do 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Repeat this for 15 times, and end of round 12, we have 45 stitches. At end of round 12, do a slip stitch to join the first stitch. Then do 3 chain to start round 13. In round 13, again we will do 3 double crochet in each of the stitch. And repeat this for 45 times. At end of round 13, we have 135 stitches. Do a slip stitch to join first stitch. Now we can cut the yarn. Next, we will use the pink yarn to do the final round. Hook the pink yarn. Start from 3 chains. Then move to next stitch, do a single crochet. Then 3 chains, move to next stitch, do single crochet. Repeat this pattern for the whole round. At the end of the round, we can do a chain to secure, then cut the yarn. Let's do the leaves. We start from chains. Do 15 chains first. Then insert your hook from the third chain from the hook. Do a half double crochet. We need to add wire. The wire should be put on top of the hook. Wire in between the yarn and the hook. In this way, we can wrap the wire in. Do a half double crochet. Move to the next chain. Do a half double crochet. We need to do 8 half double crochet in total. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then next, do a single crochet in the following 4 chains. In the last chain, do 2 single crochet. Now we've done one side, turn to the other side. Do a single crochet in the next 4 stitches. Then after that, we'll do a half double crochet in the next 8 stitches. Once done, we can pull the yarn to a big loop. Let the wire go through the loop. In this way, you can totally wrap the wire in. Then do a slip stitch to join the first stitch. Do a chain to secure, then cut the yarn. Let's assemble the flower. Insert the metal stick. Bend one end of the stick so it won't drop out of the torus. Add some cotton in the center. We do not need to add so much, just a little bit will do. Now take the white yarn, wrap it in this way, then put on top of the cotton to cover it. You can apply some glue to secure. Now take the green yarn, wrap along the stick. We need to add some glue at the beginning to make sure it is secure in place. Use the yarn to fully wrap the stick. Make sure it is fully wrapped the stick, that no wire is visible. Apply some glue at the end. Now we've done the carnation. I hope you can follow steps and can make your own flower. Thank you.